Oh,
I'll go for a run and swing it, that'll be better.
I wish he gets quite a speed up.
Seen him do all this stuff.
No, he gets quite a speed up though, doesn't he? Like that, I'd hate to get whacked with that.
Yeah. Well, obviously he doesn't.
Yeah, he's a dag. What a dag. Oh.
Is this good enough? No, go for a run, mate.
Go on.
It was funny another day I watched him.
Yeah.
He had the ball
Oh yes.
and he'd go up in the air
Oh.
and the ball would drop on the ground and then he'd do that to the ball with his feet. And then when he was up in the air again, he'd with his foot at the ball.
Oh.
That's funny. That's the one with the handle on it.
Yes.
He was doing that with.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Oh well.
often of a morning, if it's down there, I'll throw it back in and he'll go and have a play.
Oh yeah. Oh, likes the camera.